Now I will open the project from WebStorm, but it's up to you. You can use VS Code as well. VS Code is really good. I use it also really often for work, for instance, but usually when I do personal projects, I like to use IntelliJ, WebStorm or PHP Storm, depending on the language I use. You can use a different IDE, a different text code editor if you wish. In my case, for all of the projects I will create, it will be WebStorm, but it's pretty much almost the same as VS Code. And then you can also make sure you install Node.js. Node.js, that's obviously we will use the version 18. That's the language we will build our application on. So Node.js is the server language, and then we will use React, but React needs also to have Node.js to run when we will start the server and so on. And then what else do we need? You can use Volta to switch. That's usually when we work on different projects supporting different Node versions. Volta.js. Volta, really like it, but in our case we won't need this. But sometimes you are working on different Node applications, and each application, like imagine we have 4 different APIs. One is running on Node 12, one is running on Node 14, another one 16, and maybe the last project you are working on, it will be 18, Node.js 18. Well, you will use Volta. You can use NVM, a Node version manager, but personally I do prefer Volta. I just wanted to share it with you. And now you will have to use a package dependency, so a package manager. By default you have npm with Node.js, but you can also use different ones. In my case I will use Yarn. You can use Bon package manager. It's a new one and really powerful, so fast. The main benefit of using Bon is that it's the fastest, you see, compared to the others. It's really quick. Yeah, so Bon I would suggest you if you are just interested to, but obviously that's, it's up to you. Usually you would use Bon if you like to try new things, because at the moment I'm recording this video 2023, well, Bon is still, it started to be quite popular last year, but now it's still like in between. Maybe in a few years everybody will use Bon. Let's see. No one knows the future, obviously. In my case I will use Yarn. Yarn is a really good one. If you use React, well, usually you would use Yarn because Yarn is Facebook. React Native is also Facebook. Yarn package manager. And that's to obviously install our dependencies, different packages and so on.